Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cryptocurrency Update Daily. Today's topic is Cryptocurrency 101, a beginner's guide to digital money. And I have noted down 20 points. Let's be focus. And the first is, what is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptocurrency for security. It is decentralized and typically operates on a technology called blockchain. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. It remains the most well-known valuable currency. The blockchain is a decentralized ledger technology that records all currency transactions across a network of computers. It ensures transparency and security. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority like a government or bank. Instead, they rely on a network of users to validate and record transactions. And the next point is wallets. To store and manage cryptocurrencies, you need a digital wallet. The wallet can be software based online or mobile or hardware based physical devices. Private keys. Your private keys is like the password to your cryptocurrency wallet. It must be kept secure as anyone with access to it can control your funds. The next point is public addresses. Public addresses are like account numbers where other can send your cryptocurrency. They are generated from your private keys. Cryptocurrency transactions are peer-to-peer and typically involve sending and receiving digital coins. They are recorded on a blockchain. The security. Cryptocurrencies are secure due to the cryptographic techniques used in transactions. However, users must be caused protect their private keys. The volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price violations. Prices can fluctuate significantly in a short period, which can be both an opportunity and risk. Mining. Some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin use a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and earn new coins as rewards. Altcoins are any cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Thousands of different altcoins exist, each with its unique features and uses. The next point is initial coin offering. ICOs were a fundraising method used by other cryptocurrency projects where they sold token to investors to exchange for funding. They have become less common due to regularly issues regulations. Cryptocurrencies regulations varies by country. Some nations have embarrassed it, and while others have imposed strict regulations and or outright banks use causes. Cryptocurrencies can be used for various purposes, including online purchase, investment, remittance, and as a mean of transferring values across borders. Anatomy. While not entirely anonymous, some cryptocurrencies offers a degree of privacy in transactions. Other like bitcoins are considered pseudonymous, meaning they can be traced to a user.